Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I think I want to tackle a little bit of my engine bay. I got a lot of cleaning up to do. We just restored the truck last summer. I kind of threw it together, but it's kind of a rat's nest under here. So there's just a lot of things I want to clean up, make better, get rid of some of the wires, you know, and just have some more fun with the truck. Eventually I want to get the valve cover painted up, and there's just some small stuff I need to do. I got to get a bracket for this. It hits the top of my hood, so I kind of have to shave it down a little bit. I also want to throw this, I got some beauty bolts, the dress-up kit from Carbon King Performance that I'm going to throw in here. But yeah, just paint some stuff up, hide some wires, just make it look a little nicer. Okay, so one of the first things I'm going to tackle here is when we restored the truck, we didn't put this mount back in because it was hitting up against the hood. So what I'm going to try to do is, now that I found the mount and all the bolts I need, I am going to try to shave this down a bit, see if I can close the hood without it hitting it. We're back out here on day 2. We're going to also start cleaning up Travis's engine bay a little bit. They're both pretty bad. They both need a lot of love, but there's a lot of stuff we can do with them. So the first thing he's going to do, we're just going to take this hook off. It'll kind of clean it up a little bit. My truck doesn't have it either. I already took it off. But we'll just keep it on standby in case we need it for later, but it's not like we're pulling the engine out anytime soon. Alright, now that we've gotten that off, we're gonna go with getting rid of the windshield washer fluid reservoir and then take out some of these lines. But we're gonna leave the black pieces on top. It just look bad without them. Alright, we've gotten that out. Took all the hoses off. Opens things up a little bit. Look at all that space. Next we gotta do some wire tucking. But over here, I finally found my issue on my bracket. So this whole time I thought adding this bracket was scraping up against my hood, but it wasn't. When my hood prop's laid down, this is keeping the hood prop from folding over like it was before. And the only reason being that is because it's an aftermarket fiberglass hood. So now I gotta think of something, maybe bend the hood prop a little bit or something. Alright, so I haven't quite touched the wires yet, but I figured out that I just need to bend up my hood prop. I got that all set, bent up perfectly, so now I can fit that bracket. I cheated it back a little bit, and next I'm going to do my fender bolts. So this is the other side. I haven't quite put the kit on this side, but man, look at that. That looks so much better. All right, just cleaned up the truck. It's got about a week before it goes to the shop to even get looked at for a new drive shaft, but other than that, we just washed it up and it's just gonna sit for about a week. Did a little bit of cleanup in the engine bay. I still gotta tuck all the wires. Good start for the vlog. Mike picked me up in a 63 and here we are. So we cruised on down to Camp Ellis with our friend with the Miata over there, and we came across this. It's a 56 GMC 3100. It's got an LS1 swapped into it. Let's hear it. Yo, look at us over here running straight regular. Bow, bow. Let's go. Figured I'd give a little update. The truck's just about ready to get loaded onto a trailer, and it's going to the shop to get the new drive shaft. Your frame. Yo, so if you've made it this far, thank you so much for checking out the video. We'll have some more content showing up soon, but yeah, that's the end of this vlog. Thank you.